Hi everyone, it's Jerry again. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. I am doing a keto friendly, I guess you can, well, it's keto friendly. It's a low carb. It's an oven omelet. I'm making it for my hubby's lunch for tomorrow. Because when you let it set after you take it out of the oven, you can cut it up into little cubes or squares or whatever. So, anywho, let's get started. So I have a frying pan here. I'm just going to adjust the picture just a little bit here. So, in a pan I put like a half a tablespoon of olive oil, and I am going to add a half diced up onion. Diced it up kind of small here. Okay, get that in there. And here I have a whole, green bell pepper that I diced up. Put that in there. We want to sweat these until they're softened. I'm going to saute them. Put on like medium high there. And myself just add a little bit of sea salt and pepper. Now here I have one small tomato that I diced. Throw that on in there. And this, just get yourself a casserole dish, a small casserole dish, and oil it a bit or butter it. So this has been lightly buttered. I find if you use a small casserole dish, you get like nice thick slices of this. But if you have a thinner one, that's fine. They'll just be thinner slices, that's all. Okay, got that going. Now these are, I picked up a container of mushrooms, and everything's been washed, and almost a whole container of mushrooms. But you use the whole container, you can use half, however many you want. You can eliminate, it's what you like in an omelet basically. Put that in there. I am going to add, never mind, I gotta organize that. Oh, that's more pepper. Got my oven preheated to 350. And in a bowl here, I have 6 large eggs. And we're going to beat them vigorously. Give them a good beating. We're going to add a little splash of milk in them. And we really want to get that a good go. Add a little bit of pepper to that. And here I have grated up about 2 cups of Monterey Jack cheese and cheddar cheese. I'll show you what I'm going to be doing with that in just a second. Give my board a wash. good. Now we want to take about half of our cheese that we grated, and we're going to put it in the bottom of our pan. There we go. Looks like that. Just spread it as evenly as you can. Now these are softened up. That's all our vegetables. Now we're going to put that over our cheese. Spread it on out. So now it looks like that. Now carefully pour over your, because it's nice to keep like your eggs on top of this. So gently pour it over your vegetables and cheese that you've added. There we are. And now we're going to put the remainder of our cheese on top. And I can cut this up into squares, and Graham can have it for his lunch the next 2 days, with his lunch the next 2 days. Okay, looks like that. Now we're going to put it in the oven carefully, and for at least 45 minutes. You want it to really bake really well and firm up. So 45 to 50 minutes, probably about 45. I'll let you know for sure. And then I'll take it on out and show you what it looks like when it's all cubed up. Hello. Okay, I'm back with our oven baked omelet. Doesn't that look yummy? So it was about 40-45 minutes in the oven. Not covered or anything, just on the lower rack, baking away at 350. I'm just gonna, I let it cool for a few minutes here. I'm just gonna cut a piece just to show you what it looks like inside. Okie dokie. I don't want to break it. First piece is always hard to get out of the pan. But I want to get, maybe I'll try it with this here. I don't want to break it. See? Kind of see the vegetable in there. There's the cheesy bottom, and all the veggies, and the cheesy top. And you just cut her on up. See if you can get a better look at it there. Then I just cut up squares for Casey and Graham, and in little containers, put them in the fridge, and then they can have them for breakfast in the morning. Graham can have one for breakfast on his way to work. See? And I'll just take a little tiny piece to taste it. Yeah, if you want it, you can put like bits of ham or whatever you like in an omelet. We like to keep ours kind of veggie. So anyway, I like the tomato in it. Anyway, I just wanted to give you a quick video there. The one earlier, another one I did today is not so quick because I don't know how to edit shorten the videos. So anywho, I will chat with you soon. I hope that you stop by again, and I look forward to seeing some comments and seeing. Let me know if you try it. Okay, take care, everyone. Keep good heart. Bye.